Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Due to Things. So you all know we have started Lead Code 50 series where we will be going to solve 50 SQL problems in the SQL. So this will help you to definitely crack any kind of SQL interviews and any coding questions in the which were asked in your interviews. So we have successfully completed 35 videos so far. So now we are in the next video, that is count salary categories video. So don't skip any part. Watch this full video. You will get to know how we can solve this kind of such kind of problems like that. So yeah, not only SQL problems we are solving, we have already covered all the SQL topics in our videos. Just go to my channel and check out the playlist where you will find SQL playlist also. Just go through the topic wise. So they are structured, organized videos are there in our channel. Please just go and check it out. So yeah, let's see the problem statement first. They have given one table, that is accounts table, which is having column names as account ID and income. So account ID is integer type and income is also integer type. Account ID is the primary key here, which has unique values for this table. Here, each row contains the information about the monthly income from one bank account. So, one bank account which is having some unique bank ID. So, how much income you have, monthly income of that, they are having that kind of information. So, what now they are asking us to write a solution to calculate the number of bank accounts for each salary category. The salary categories are, so some categories are there based upon the salary. So one is a low salary, which is strictly less than, which is having this $2,000, sorry, $20,000. So all salaries less than under this threshold is called as low salaries, and all the salaries which are inclusive range between, they have given particular range which is greater than 2000 and less than 50,000. So this in between this range, this is called as an average salary, whereas high salary they are telling us strictly greater than $50,000, so that is called as a high salary. So the result table must contain all three categories. If there is no accounts in these categories, return 0. So they want the table should be look like this. There should be any order. So if you see the example, you will got to know. So accounts tables is like this. They want like this: low salary, how many accounts, the count of those low salaries. So which are 20,000 less than, we have only mm, one, which is this one. So only one is low salary. Average salary, which is between 2 and 5, which are not having any kind of incomes like that. So average salary of accounts is 0. So high salary is more than 20,000 to 50,000. So all these are 87,000 and 91 and uh, oh, not 8,000. So these are comes under high salary, which are having three accounts. So like this, we have to do. So hope you understood, right? The count of the account IDs we have to get as an account number. So let's see how we can solve this in a code wise. So which is having a same table, right? But we have to get all these things. So we can, what we can do is we can use union for this kind of thing. So first select uh, what we have to get as names, right? The category we have to get something like low salary, right? Low low salary, what is this as category, right? Low salary as category. And then one more thing as account, right? Count is nothing but how many times it repeated likewise. So you can just use a count, or you can have like some kind of thing. And you what you have to check here is, you have to check income income is less than here. Consider all or it in the dollars only, so no need of kind of restriction like that. So if it is less than one, then consider one, or otherwise zero, so no record like that. So now this should be given as what they have given, like accounts count, right? Accounts count. So how many incomes are this condition satisfies? That, so if condition will success, then it comes one. Sum of one is one. So how many times it repeated, we will get the just count is by this summing of based upon the condition, will get count only. So like that, we'll get accounts count for low salary. So from which table? This is coming from accounts table, right? Accounts table. And what you also we also want average salary and also high salary. For that, I'm just copying this part. Let me have it here. Similarly, again one more time. So this time we have to get average salary as category in only, and then the condition what is here is it should have two conditions. One is great inclusive of that is nothing but greater than or equal to this one, what is 20,000, and one more condition what we have is income should be less than or equal to 50,000. This is find it, then one, or consider as accounts count only from accounts table itself and union. So this time, now now it is high salary as category. If here the condition is, so it is greater than 50,000. Now this time, so greater than 50,000, then one comes with the union accounts from accounts. Okay, so now this is also from accounts, so no meaning of union extra here. So this is the query. We'll get average salary and low salary, high salary, like that here. Let me just run this. You have an error skill, check the manual skill version. As category, if something is wrong at line number 3. Okay, union here, like that. So I think hope this works. So simple case, it's accepted. You can see here the same test cases which I have given. So one is low salary, average salaries are 0, and low high salaries are 3. So like this, we will gonna solve this problem. So in other way also, you can solve the same kind of problem. Different ways will be available to solve this particular kind of problem. If you know all these ways, you can let me know in the comment section. So that will definitely help the others to know what are the possible ways to solve this problem. And that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed watching this video, and go to my channel, subscribe my channel for many more videos like this. Until the next video, see you. Bye bye.